Welcome to Mandarin Chinese Class 101. Today we'll continue to learn about numbers. In a few moments, numbers from 11 to 20 will appear on your screen. You will hear and see how they're written in Mandarin and also in Pinyin. 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20 Now it's your turn. The same numbers will appear in a random order. Try to say them in your head or out loud. Did you succeed? If not, feel free to try again.